Okay, so now my screen is visible, friend. Let me know that voice is clear.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Ah, okay, okay. So webinf web hyphen inf slash pages slash. Okay, now run one more time. Okay. The problem is, if you are not writing the URL and all those things as proper, right? So we can't able to see the error also in the Spring MVC. That is the problem. So we have need to, because of that I'm saying, what, please, please read the things, right? What is that flow? If flow is there in the mind, right, then the things will be correct only. Okay, don't worry, don't worry. We will catch where the problem is there. Okay. Hmm. My server is not starting. What happened? One port number problem is not there, man. Actually, the meeting now just come got this one conversation is happening and my processor is busy now. I'm stopping this one. Later I will. Now if I run this application, because if the processor is busy now, the processor is not having the capability, right, to synchronize the our application data. Because of that we are facing. Okay, na? So now right click again, run the application. Now new server, next, now finish it. No need, actually, on that previously it's working, right? So on the same project, so no need to change the port number. Now see, then it will run. If not, then we will change it. Okay. Now see, I said that, right? Actually, recording is going on. Whenever the meeting is in, that recording also is stopping again. After then, what is that? Total recording is converting in the video at the time. Because of that, we are facing those problems. Okay, now come to here. come to here. What is that? MVC slash what is that? So method is there, na? Hey, 4 not 4. Okay, no problem. We can, right? We have the patience, right? If you are working as a software engineer, one thing learn, right? Without patience is need. Patience is need. Controller, okay? Controller, okay, na? At the rate get public model and a view. This page INPUT. INPUT. Okay, fine. This is also good only. Here we are returning this object. Okay, this is also good. Okay, this is also good. Fine. This is also good. Where its problem is there? I don't know 1 minute. This is the class. This one also correct. Return new string. This is also fine. This is also fine. Why it's not selecting the JSP page? Internal resource view resolver also correct. Anyone let me know that if anyone. Yes, everything is okay now, but still why we are facing? Hmm. Set suffix is correct. Internal resource view resolver. This object also correct. Configuration. This annotation is perfect. Don't worry. Sometimes these things is happened. Okay, na? Be patient. Be patient. This is a small application. Configuration and the rest. Component scan. Inside that, what we will do now? Com dot just RK. Pass it the RK, right? Control shift O. Internal framework web server, internal resource view resolver. Okay, fine. Here slash web hyphen inf, right? Slash what is that? What is that? Slash what is that? Page is there, right? Pages, pages. Pages. Fine. Slash. After then extension name is JSP only. Extension name is what dot JSP, right? JSP. Everything is okay, but still we are not. Somewhere 1 minute. We will check it, right? We will check it why we are stuck in that. MVC slash what? Hey, it's checking our patience, right? Get mapping controller. Okay. Oh, 1 minute. I forget it. Right. Activate the IOC container. How we can activate it? Someone is a front controller. Pushpin, no. Here,
Application context.
Huh?
Not that one.
Huh?
Application context.
Which one? Application context. What is that? Right? At the rate enable.
Okay.
Enable WebMVC. Everything okay only, right? Enable WebMVC. Actually, I think enable WebMVC notation is not much important. Let's see that. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, it's my mistake. I forgot to write what enable WebMVC. What is that? Come to app config. Which annotation I forget it? Got the point, friends?
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah, because of that we are unable to, because see each and everything, even console also not showing that the problem, right? Even console also not showing that problem, right? So because of that, this is the problem to work whenever we are working in the Spring MVC, right? Please carefully, if just need, yeah, flow. Because of that, in the first day I explained clearly. I explained what clearly Spring MVC. Just think about that, how much I confident everything is correct, where I'm doing the mistake, okay na? So if you people is right, confident on your code, right, then just find out where we are doing the mistake. Because of that, we are not enabling the what, Spring MVC, right? Enabling Spring MVC. Because of that, we are facing this issue. Now again, let's run this application, right? Let's run this application and we will see that, right? Okay, we will see that. Okay, now come to here, come to see what is that. Employee 101 data is coming or not? Employee name Ravi is coming, right? Employee salary is what, 20 into 0. What is that? How we are sending that? On the controller, we wrote one class, right? In that we set it the data. After then using this method, right? What we are doing that we are sending the data or not? So how our controller and the view, right? How our controller and the view is sending the data. Let's see that as a diagrammatically. Then we can understand, then our mind will understand, right? So what is that? Think about that. This is the controller, right? This is what our controller. This is our what, controller. See, this is the basic. Okay, now I'm preparing the basic things, you people. Okay, now I know that little bit these things is boring, but whenever I will do the higher level programming, right, in the using Spring MVC, then that time I'm preparing to you people, right, to become what, good in the do. I can also develop what, no, layered application, long application. Why I'm explaining a small application? If you people will, because these things only becoming what, lengthy project, long project, right? So please practice on this one, right? Because uh, uh, again I'm saying that fundamental will never change. Fundamental is never change. Think about that. This is the controller, right? This is the controller, our controller, right? This is what, controller, right? This is the controller. Inside this controller, how many method is there, right? One. Based on the one method, we are just like MAV, right? Model and view dot, what is that? Add object. inside that object, what we are doing, that we are sending the data, right? Like it's having what, key and value, like key and what is that, value. This is what, key and value. Using that, see what we are doing, that come here, what is that in this method, what is that, this one will become what, key, and this one will become what, value, right? Value. But here in using what, set view name, right? Set view name, this method, using this method, what we are doing now, we are selecting the page, right? We are selecting the page, where we are selecting the page, right? We are selecting the page. Okay, so we are selecting the page, right? So this, on this page, what is that, on this page, what is that, whatever data we are sending, means whatever object we are sending, we are reading that data or not, using which tag, expression tag, right? Using what is that, this is the based, because of the expression tag we are able to read it, right? If we not write, come here, come in the GSP page, come in the GSP page, based on this expression, right? Based on this expression, what, this one, based on this key we are passing in this expression, this is called what, EL. In the GSP we are saying that EL or not. So based on this one, we are reading the data on what, client, on what, client. So this conversation is happening using what, server to client communication. Inside that, what is that, whenever we are sending that, right? So our IOC container is preparing, like how many part having, I said that, right? Come to here, think about that. This is what, our model and view object, right? This is what, model and view object, model and what is that, view object. This is what, our model and a view object, right? Inside that, what we are doing, that it's, I said that it's having what, how many part, 2 part, right? It's having how many part, 2 part. First one is the view part, right? View part. Second one is what, model part, means data, whatever data we are sending, right? Model is nothing but what, data, right? Data part, right? This is what, data part. Inside that, what we are doing, that what we are doing now. Okay, so inside that, what we are doing, that like how our data is coming, key and value format or not, right? So key and value format. So think about that, see there is a diagrammatically friend, right? See the diagrammatically, if diagram is there in your mind, then you can, because of that, every time I'm preparing the diagram, why I'm preparing, our mind is accepting the diagram only. If image is there in our mind, then we can work on that. The psychology trip is there. Our mind is compared to what, reading the things. If image diagram we are seeing, if we are seeing the diagram or image, our mind is capturing those things at too much easiest way. Because of that, I'm preparing everything as a diagram, right? As a diagram. Okay, so now what is that, this is the key, right? This one is the key, and this one is what, value, right? This one is what, value. Inside that, what is that, how the data is coming now, how data is coming. So what we are sending, that key will become data, right? Key will become data, and employee object we are sending, that reference will become value, which one, come to our application, and a controller class, which one, this data will become key, and this one will become what, value. So same thing, what I'm doing in the model part, data will become key, and this one will become value. So after then, it's sending that, what is that, this one, right? This controller is sending like this data, right? Like this data. After then, we are reading that, how we are reading that. So think about that, this is our client, right? This is our client page. 1 minute. This is our what, client page. Okay na? Oh, this is the client page. Fine. So in this client page, what is that, using what is that, this is, think about that, our UI page. This is what, our UI page. Okay na? UI page. Okay na? UI is nothing but view page. Inside that, what is that, after preparing model and view object, what we are doing, that we are sending the data, right? We are sending data to whom, our client, right? Our client means our browser. So on that browser, how we are reading this data, using what, expression tag, right? So expression tag, what is that expression tag symbol, dollar symbol. Inside that dollar, what is the key is there, of this object, data, right? So the same data we are passing here. Same data we are passing now. I hope I'm able to I'm able to give the clear picture of model and view, right? 1 minute. Spring MVC 2. Okay, now save it. I hope I'm able to give how we are sending the model data and from the server, and how we are reading that. I am based on this image. I think you people will get the clear picture. Let me know that, friend. Let me know that using chat box and all those things. Use it, right? Use it, chat box. Okay, na? Then next concept I will explain it, right? Next concept I will explain it. Use it, chat box, friend. Okay. Only one person, right? Only one person, huh? Use it. Don't become lazy. Don't become lazy, right? Don't become lazy. Use the chat box. Okay. So this is the what, how we are using. See, this is the model data. This is the view already based on this one, right? Based on this one, what is this method, right? This method, what this method is doing now, this method, right? This is the view name method, right? This is the view name method. So it will come to here, this part. But this data is coming where? This data is coming where? 1 minute. This is the view part, right? Using this method we are performing view operation, right? Using this method we are performing view method. But using this method, what we are doing, that we are performing what? We are performing what? Model, right? Model part, right? So based on the model, if we want to read the model, how we can using, we have need to use what? We have need to use what? We have need to use what? That key. Based on this key, we will pass that key name in the expression argument. Then our view layer will render that data. This is nothing but what? This is nothing but what I said, that when I will explain what is Spring MVC, I will explain what three more. What is that? Three more scope is there, right? What is that? Singleton, prototype. I explained when I was explaining the core module. Now request scope, session scope, and application scope, right? So what we are doing, that here whenever we are using this data, right, means this request means whenever we are reading this one, right? Whenever we are reading this one, okay, na? Which scope we are using now? Internally our Spring is using what? Request scope, right? Based on the request scope we are reading the data. This is nothing but what? Request scope. This is nothing but what? Request scope. One scope I explained, right? Now how many scope now I completed? How many? Three scope, right? Prototype, singleton, and a request scope, right? Based on the request scope we are reading the data. Okay, na? By default our Spring MVC is putting this data in the request scope, and just we are reading that from the request scope. Okay, so this is nothing but what? Request scope. Okay, na? This is nothing but what? Request scope. Okay, so let's move on. And we will see that, right? We will see that, right? So now we read the model data, right? From whom? Client. But one more thing, so okay, na? So 338, right? So just model data, but how we can read them? It will take time, okay, na? It will take time. 4 o'clock, before 4 o'clock, okay, na? Okay, so do one thing, okay, friend. So tomorrow list of data, we will send the list of data. After then we will what, we will write one form data, how we can read the form data, how we can send the form data, okay, na? Those things we will learn tomorrow. Okay, we will learn tomorrow. So till now, anybody having any doubt, unmute yourself and ask, okay, na? Unmute yourself and ask, and tomorrow we will learn the next level things. Okay.
Okay, Ravi, in tomorrow's class, you are going to say that how can we
Send.
pass the data dynamically, right?
Yes. Here,
Okay.
I'm giving the step, basic things to you people. Tomorrow onward, still high level programming I'm not started. Okay, na? So tomorrow I will start high level programming. Okay, na? Big application tomorrow I will develop.
Okay. Today that in that employee object we wrote like hard code, but
Yeah,
tomorrow.
still here. Why? Just I'm giving to you people analysis to how we can send the data from the server, right?
Control.
Because
Okay.
just in the first day I explained this method. Based on this method, come to diagram. Based on this method, we are just performing what view operation, but still model operation we are not able. In this application, my intention behind this application only. So let's use both view operation also and the model object operation also. So because of that, here I made this object as a model data, and I just I'm sending that. That's it. My intention is that
Okay.
these things in behind this application. Tomorrow I will make totally Padma, totally dynamic, because this kind of a operation never happening in the real time, okay na? So but
Yes.
the see, if I give the total real time scenario now only, right? Who is the means we know that something, we know that, right?
Yeah.
Other people, but some people are also there in the meeting who don't know anything, okay na? So we have need to take care those people also, right?
Yes. Even I don't know, Ravi. One by one.
Okay now, so believe on me. It takes, can you please show that project you develop? Yeah, Padma, I think you are not there at that time, right? In the meeting. So,
Yeah. Beginning.
yeah, so I'm developing one project for you people only, right? No, this is
Okay.
the real on which project I'm working in my company, right? Whenever I'm getting the time, that project I'm implementing for you people to give the and put this project in the our own resume also. This is the help for you, okay na? I will give the URL and all those things to you, okay? So the whole day I'm working in the company for the our for our client people, right? But the same thing I'm implementing, 1 minute I will tell, the same thing I'm implementing in the my computer also, to deliver those things to you people, okay na? So complete 1 minute. So this is I taken the screenshot and I mailed on my email, because company laptop I can't use for the personal purpose, right? This application I'm developing now, okay na? This is I completed in my company, this application I completed, but to deliver this project to you people, I'm developing in my local machine also, okay na? So one model, this model near about to complete now. This model now I'm developing now, okay na? Yesterday in night I implemented, and I will show to you people na, how it's working now. Okay, now this is application. Now I'm running it. I'm running it and see this application. This is the live also. This is the live also, but still access permission is not there. When the access permission will globally, then I will give the URL also. You people can check it.
Okay. Ravi, yeah, I would like to share one news. I got a project, Ravi.
Hey, congratulations. Okay, na?
Thank you,
Congratulations.
Ravi.
And whenever you will stuck anywhere, just don't forget, okay? Ping the message. When I will get the time, definitely I will help you. Okay, now this is the life only, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yesterday only I joined.
Mm-hmm.
From Monday onwards, I have to start that work.
Very good. I am so happy. Really, I appreciated your effort, because you are doing too much hard work. I think
Thank you.
here, 4 o'clock is there, but I know that there you are saying that it's 6 o'clock morning, right?
Now it is like, yeah,
5. Think about that. I can
5:15.
understand. Yeah, I can understand. You are waking up to join the class 4 o'clock, and
Yeah,
really, I'm appreciating your what hard work. Really, like these
thank you.
people, I'm also liking it. Okay, na? So don't worry about that. You will one day suddenly in a single day nothing will happen, right? If Padma, when I was started my career, I don't know how to write main method also. And today think about that. I'm handling.
Actually, in the theory part, mainly they didn't ask me any coding part, but they asked me about these all these Spring concepts
So
and Angular.
mhm.
So somehow I did hard work and
Yeah, I seen your hard work and all those things. Really, I appreciate your effort. Okay, na?
yeah, thank
Oh,
you.
okay. Mm, 1 minute actually. The thing. I'll show that actually all architect and all those things I taken. Okay, na? So I want to show this one. Actually, my nowadays, my system is getting too much slow because of that.